what's up YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. So I got my shipment in for True Rinse here, pH neutralizer. All right, this is it's gonna replace my all fiber rinse. Supposedly it's just as good, if not better. This is from Courtney. This is from Truman Steamers, right? So Truman Steamers is a big reason why I'm in business and doing as well as I'm doing now, because I started watching him about 2 years ago, and I started watching his videos and learning and taking notes and just pretty much following his business model. And hey, it works, and that's why I am where I am now, and I pass on what I've learned from him and other people to people that are just starting, and that's what I'm doing, right? And for me not to support him when he comes out with his own product would be selfish of me. And really, I mean, how do you give thanks to somebody like that? You can say thank you and all that stuff, but you support them. And whether it's Truman Steamers, whether it's another carpet cleaning company, or just any industry, right, that you're in, and you're learning off somebody, the best way to thank them is just to support them, right? So I'm going to start using his rinse. I mean, I have my cleaners already, but hey, I can use a rinse, and I can replace what I'm using now, all fiber rinse, which is a good one, guys. Trust me, the only reason why I am replacing it is because I want to support Truman Steamers. So guys, what you put out in life is what you get back, right? If you're just taking, I mean, that's not good karma, for one thing, all right? You gotta take and give back, all right? Just create that balance in life. You know, if you take too much without giving back, that isn't too positive. And law of attraction and all that stuff, you know. I mean, I live by law of attraction. What you put out comes back, right? If you do good things in life, well, that kind of makes you a good person, right? And if you do bad things in life, well, that kind of makes you a bad person, if that's all you're doing is bad things, right? So I'm actually coming out with a clothing deal. Be good, right? Because what you put, if you're doing good, right, it makes you good. So be good. So I'm gonna be saying that a little bit here and there. I don't want to be corny with it, but be good, all right? You be good, life gets a lot better. Trust me, guys. And as far as supporting people that helped you shape to what you have now, do that. Don't just take. Don't just take. You know, Courtney's out here teaching a lot of people, and he's got a lot of followers. You know, I mean, I gotta get thanked constantly, this and that. But words are nothing. Actually support. So Truman Steamers, bought my first order of True Rinse. I'm gonna keep using that. Thanks a lot, and maybe I'll tag you and just let you know I'm thankful. All right. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, and be good. See you in the next video.